Great air conditioner. I like the old style where you control this air conditioner with the knobs. Good solid unit. The air is ice cold. I recommend. I bought this AC and was nervous about it because it was too cheap. I just installed it today. I paid $25 to a guy because I needed fast. It was too hot in my room, so I didn't want to do it and take forever. It took him like 30 minutes. The room was cool in about 30 minutes and my room is not small. Is not noisy, and came with registration documents from FRIGIDAIRE for the insurance. Great AC for the price. Only drawback is it's a little louder than some more expensive models, but it cools down a room quickly. Very basic design, still I got a great air conditioner delivered on a 91-degree day for a great price. Unit works great. Cools a 20 by 20 room nicely. Simple controls. No thermostat. Unit is on, high or low, or off. Came dented fairly badly on the back. Didn't notice until install was complete. Too much work to take out and send back. Updated. The seller did provide compensation for the dented unit. This unit pumps out ice-cold air. This is an amazing unit for the price. It stays so cold and keep my room at a great temperature in NYC. Very easy to install as well. Price was good, name brand. After 3 years finally found a unit narrow enough for 19 wide window. I have a pretty large bedroom and this cools it right down. I had been getting a sinus headache every time I turned on my older unit and knew it was time for a replacement. Click link in description for more reviews.